Today, we'll dive into the best electric air dusters, exploring the top 5 options available on the market. These devices offer a convenient and environmentally friendly alternative to traditional compressed air cans, providing powerful cleaning capabilities for your electronics and beyond. And for your convenience, all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. And with that in mind, let's get started. Number 1 on my list is the Compressed Air Duster 3 gear with LED light, priced at $30. This adjustable electric air duster boasts a powerful motor with a maximum speed of 100,000 revolutions per minute, offering 3 adjustable airflow settings. This allows you to customize the blowing power between 1.86 to 2.51 ounces, making it perfect for various cleaning tasks. It features a fast charging Type-C cable and a 7,500 mAh battery, which supports 20 to 40 minutes of continuous use. The built-in LED screen provides clear information on the remaining battery level and wind speed settings. This model comes with 5 nozzles and 3 brushes, enhancing its versatility for cleaning keyboards, electronics, office desks, and even inflating swimming rings. Users appreciate its compact size and rechargeable cordless design, which makes it easy to use and convenient for a variety of tasks. The LED light is particularly useful for cleaning dark corners, adding to its overall efficiency. Additionally, this air duster is environmentally friendly and cost-saving, as it can be recharged and used repeatedly, unlike traditional compressed air cans. One user praised its powerful performance and extensive set of accessories, noting its usefulness around the house, shop, and car. However, another user mentioned that the 3-second hold to start the device could be a bit annoying. Despite this, the overall feedback highlights its high quality and effectiveness. Second, we have the Compressed Air Duster Electric Air Duster by YoMill, priced at $39. This duster features a high-speed motor that reaches 120,000 revolutions per minute, providing strong winds to eliminate dust effectively. The built-in 7,600 mAh battery offers up to 40 minutes of continuous use and can be fully charged in 3 to 4 hours using the included USB-C cable. Its 3 adjustable wind speeds allow you to choose the appropriate setting for different cleaning needs, making it versatile for home, office, or car usage. Measuring only 6.3 by 3.9 by 2.6 inches and weighing just 1.1 pounds, it is highly portable and easy to store in a backpack or toolbox. Users appreciate the numerous attachments that come with this model, including a storage bag which enhances its functionality and convenience. The electric air duster is a great eco-friendly alternative to disposable can air dusters, saving you money and reducing environmental waste. One user highlighted its powerful suction and blowing capabilities, which make quick work of cleaning computer components and peripherals. However, another user noted that while it is powerful, it may not be as strong as traditional canned air. Despite this, the overall feedback emphasizes its effectiveness and value, making it a popular choice for deep cleaning tasks. Next on the list is the Compressed Air Duster by Fulljion, priced at $39. This model features an upgraded motor with a maximum speed of 51,000 revolutions per minute, providing powerful airflow for deep cleaning. It offers 3 adjustable speed modes, allowing you to switch between 33,000, 38,000, and 51,000 revolutions per minute for different cleaning tasks. The built-in 6,000 mAh battery supports 20 to 30 minutes of continuous use and can be fully charged in 3 to 4 hours using the USB-C fast charging cable. This duster comes with 5 sets of nozzles, making it suitable for a wide range of cleaning applications, from computer cases and keyboards to cars and fans. The LED lights automatically illuminate when the device is turned on, helping you clean dark corners with ease. Its ergonomic shape and cordless design make it lightweight, comfortable to hold, and easy to carry around. Users appreciate its environmental benefits, as it does not produce chemicals, liquids, or ice during the cleaning process, protecting electronics and reducing waste. One user praised its powerful performance and compact design, but mentioned that the noise level can be quite high. Another user noted that the control button, which requires a 3-second hold to start, could be inconvenient for spot dusting tasks. Overall, this air duster is recognized for its efficiency, portability, and eco-friendliness, making it a reliable choice for various cleaning needs. Fourth is the IT Duster AirTec Ultra Electronic Air Duster Blower, priced at $49. This enhanced and upgraded model is designed for professional use, offering 2 speed settings for delicate and intensive cleaning. Its super energy efficient 480-watt motors provide high performance output while using minimal power. The AirTec Ultra comes with 6 interchangeable nozzle attachments and 3 anti-static cleaning brushes, making it ideal for detailed cleaning of tech devices, including PCs, consoles, TVs, and servers, as well as home appliances like fans, filters, and radiators. This model runs directly from mains power with a 3-meter power cord, eliminating the need for recharging. Users appreciate the convenience of not having to worry about battery life and the robust performance it delivers. The ergonomic design and easy one-button control enhance its usability, while the included canvas drawstring bag ensures convenient storage and portability. One user described it as a game changer for cleaning electronics, highlighting its eco-friendly benefits and powerful performance. Another user noted its sturdy feel and the variety of attachment, but mentioned that the toggle button requires continuous pressure, which can be cumbersome. Despite some minor design flaws, the overall feedback is positive, emphasizing its effectiveness, durability, and cost-saving benefits. Finally, we have the PeroBuno Air Duster for PC, priced at $89. This high-performance electric air duster features a brushless motor with a maximum speed of 200,000 revolutions per minute and 3 speed settings. It doubles as a mini vacuum, offering a versatile cleaning solution for electronics, cars, and home surfaces. The built-in rechargeable battery provides up to 35 minutes of runtime, depending on the selected power mode. The USB-C Type-C charging ensures fast and convenient charging via a 2A 5-volt charger. This model includes various brushes and nozzles, as well as reusable filters, enhancing its cleaning capabilities. Users appreciate the compact zipper case that allows for easy storage and portability. One user praised its power and functionality, noting its effectiveness in cleaning small spaces in the car and other hard-to-reach areas. However, another user mentioned that the battery life could be longer and that the device can be quite loud. Despite these minor drawbacks, the overall feedback is positive, highlighting its versatility, eco-friendliness, and comprehensive cleaning performance. So, in conclusion, each of these electric air dusters offers unique features and benefits, catering to different needs and preferences. Whether you prioritize power, portability, or multifunctionality, there's an option here to suit your requirements and make your cleaning tasks more efficient and eco-friendly. And don't forget that all products mentioned in this video are linked down in the description. Hope you found this video helpful, and thank you for watching.